And you think, the swallows are flying so late. Swallows? Dark air life looping, yet missing the pure loop. A twitch, a twitter, an elastic shudder in the flight. And serrated wings against the sky. Like a glove, a black glove thrown up at the light and falling back. Never swallows. Bats! The swallows are gone. At a wavering instant, the swallows gave away to bats. By the Ponte Vecchio, changing guard. Bats, an uneasy creeping in one's scalp as the bats swoop overhead, flying madly. Pipistrello, black piper on an infinitesimal pipe. Little lumps that fly in air and have voices indefinite, wildly vindictive. Wings like bits of umbrella. Bats, creatures that hang themselves up like an old rag to sleep and disgustingly upside down, hanging upside down like rows of disgusting old rags and grinning in their sleep. Bats.